ана акунун мегузарем ба бахши саволу ҷавоб шогирдон азиз. Мо шумо савол медиҳам, шумо пас мебаред ҷавоб медиҳед. Тамом? So, where do you live?
Mercy. I live in Urmeta village.
Ahsan. What is the capital of Tajikistan? Samir.
Shamil, the capital of Tajikistan.
Thank you. Take your seat. So, who is the leader of nation? Who is the leader of nation? Please.
Emomali Rahman is the leader of nation.
Is the leader of nation. Ahsan. Open. So, where does Tajikistan situated? Where does Tajikistan situated? Here.
Tajikistan situated in Central Asia.
Як бор баъд ман такрар. Central Asia.
Central Asia.
Central Asia.
Central Asia.
Great job. Cool. Sit down. What's your hobby? What's your hobby? Jasun.
My hobby is PlayStation.
Is playing
Play football.
playing football. What's your hobby?
My hobby is play chess.
Oh, great job. Noro, what's your hobby, mister?
My hobby is reading English book.
So, do you like English?
Yes, of course.
Of course. Great job. Thank you. You sit down. What's your hobby, mister? What's your hobby?
My hobby.
My hobby is sleeping. Yeah.
My hobby
Playing football. Great job. What's your hobby, Samir?
My hobby is play computer game.
So, do you like to play computer game?
Of course.
Great job. Thank
I
you.
like it.
So, what's your favorite sport? Sorry. What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is in football.
Football. Thank you. Take a seat. What kinds of sport do you like best of all?
I like wrestling. Do you like basketball? I like wrestling. Wrestling.
Best of all.
I like football best of all.
I like football best of all. You, mister.
I like volleyball best of all.
I like volleyball best of all. What's it? Just so.
I like hockey best of all.
Hockey. I like hockey best of all. Great job. So, and you, Yusuf John?
I like
I like. I like it. Great job. So, great. So, what's your favorite book? What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is English.
Is English.
My book?
English. Awesome. Sit down. So, what kinds of book do you like best of all?
I like English best of all.
I like English best of all. And what about you, Shumachi?
I like English book best of all.
I like English book best of all. Thank you. Take your seat. Sir, what kinds of book do you like best of all?
I like fiction book. Do you like best of all?
Do lozim nest. I like fiction book best of all. I like fiction book best of all. Awesome. So, what savoli okhiram? So, what is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Is red.
My
And
favorite
what
color
about
is
you?
blue.
So, what kinds of color do you like best of all?
I like blue best of all.
I like blue best of all. Jasu.
I like green best of all.
Great job.